What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? Three sisters who were found dead in a neighbor's private pond in Texas in 2022 were strangled to death before being abandoned in the water, according to investigators. Officials first found the bodies of Zaira Oliver, 9, Amaya Hughes, 8, and Tamara Oliver, 5, on July 30th and reported their death as tragic drownings. According to the latest information, however, Cass County District Attorney Courtney Shelton said the sisters had lacerations on their faces and they all died by strangulation. Now check this out, fam. Paris Props, the girls' cousin, reported them missing on July 29, 2022. She was watching the girls and their three other siblings while their mother was at work. The next day, the girls' bodies were discovered in the pond. All right, fam, where you at with this? I'm gonna keep it a buck. If the cousin didn't do it herself, I believe she knows who did it. Now, police have taken several statements and they believe that they are going to find out who killed these girls. Chief Tommy Cox, I hope you and all the other uncivilized mutts in Laurel County, Mississippi, who had something to do with the so-called investigation of Rasheem Carter's death, look at this and be inspired to bring justice to the family, because you guys are beyond incompetent. This is what you do when you find a body with lacerations on it, with clear evidence of foul play. You don't try to sweep it under the rug and say they committed suicide. You call it what it is, a homicide. So what y'all down there in Mississippi trying to hide? We know Mississippi has a sordid history of racial murders and discrimination and everything else foul. Mississippi is one of those states that the few good people that are out there, for y'all just leave, and I wouldn't be mad if the government just decided to wipe the rest of it off the map. It's cold-blooded what they did to that man out there. They decapitated Rasheem Carter. Foul play. Everybody know what it is, including Tommy Cox, who I believe is as crooked as they come. Now, these little girls were murdered. Ain't no doubt about it. The question is, who done it? Back in the Gap, there was a cartoon in which one of the catchphrases was, Wonder Twin powers activate. Texas Rangers and Cass County Sheriff's Department, activate. Let's get these babies justice. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?
Damn.